OpenAI just made a huge update to ChatGPT that could redefine the power of AI tools in 2025. This latest enhancement allows ChatGPT to perform real-time web searches on live information. ChatGPT can now access up-to-date information directly from the web, much like a search engine. Previously, ChatGPT responses were limited to data up until 2023, which created knowledge gaps. Now, with real-time search, ChatGPT can pull in the latest news, trends, and verified data. In this video, we'll break down what this means for ChatGPT users and the broader AI world. For users, this real-time search opens up new possibilities in how they use ChatGPT every day. Whether for researching trends, getting stock updates, or finding recent studies, it's a game changer. Imagine asking ChatGPT for breaking news updates or the latest insights in real time. This feature puts ChatGPT on par with tools like Google Bard, giving OpenAI a competitive edge. Paid subscribers and users on the waitlist are currently able to access this live search tool. But how does this feature actually work? And what impact could it have on different industries? Essentially, ChatGPT can now scan the internet for answers instead of relying only on static data. This live capability allows it to provide more accurate, contextually relevant information instantly. For fields like journalism, finance, and research, this feature could become a powerful asset. Businesses may find ChatGPT more useful than ever, pulling up fresh insights on demand. But as with any AI that uses live data, there are ethical and privacy concerns to consider. OpenAI has stated that it's implementing safeguards to ensure responsible use of this feature. Live search could lead to misinformation if not carefully monitored by OpenAI. Real-time access to the web will also require strict data privacy practices to protect users. This new capability brings AI one step closer to becoming a reliable real-time assistant. It reflects OpenAI's ambition to expand AI capabilities, bringing AI into everyday life. As AI evolves, the boundary between search engines and interactive AI continues to blur. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates. For more AI news and insights, keep following our channel.